Knife sharpener durable quality knife are the significant investment, and the wrinkles of the knife sharpener ensure their performance stays top noticing. And the rolling knife sharpener provided factory level sharpness in just minutes within an easy to use knife sharpening kit. The knife sharpening process starts with 400 diamond decks and will remove the first layer of your sharpener knife edge, followed by a smooth 3000 ceramic discs for polishing, offering precise result and long-lasting sharpness. This King knife sharpener deliver a professional quality for performances and the craft from high quality natural wood. This roller knife sharpener is equipped with four roller knife sharpener equipped with super strong magnetic. These hold the and knife firmly, ensuring stability. Knife sharpener. The rolling sharpener from knife included 15 and 20 magnetic angle guide from optimizing sharpening from both fine. Anti-cut gloves. Packages included 12 pairs of durable cut-resistant work gloves from Man. Each pair is built to last and is perfect for household tasks, making it an ideal gift from household man, which can receive May A4 and A5, and it may be randomly sent during the upgraded process. The safety work gloves of the Rested ANSI Cut Level 5, offering a reliable protection you can trust. They are designed to keep you safe and the protect you can trust. They are designed to keep you safe when handling sharp metal, broken glass, construction debris, and the plastic shards, providing significantly more safety and the standard wear gloves. Anti-slip wear resistant. Each pair of gloves feature durable wear resistance PU coating on the palm, ensuring a secure grip. Even at wet or oily environment, the excellent absorption resistance increase the gloves' lifespan, making them more durable for long-term use. These gloves can be hand machine washed in a warm water, not excess, trembled and easy. Adjustable overbed tray. High adjustment. The overbed decks feature a smooth panel lift system for easy height adjustment from 26 to 44 set of decks for comfortable ergonomic height by a simple suction and the handle to release and raise it or not excusing for a handle and pushing the decks down to lower it. Convenient cup holder. This adjustable overbed table included 360-degree rotating cup holder design with two pre-drill mounting holes so you can install it to the either side. Whenever when you sit it stand at the desk, you will have your cup in the right place and won't knock it over your elbow. When it is used to simply rotate the holder under the side table out of sight, it fits coffee mug, whatever bottle, and even pen holder. Made from cold rolled steel, these paranetic standing decks provided the robot support wide standing weight up to 20 lbs to 20,000. Bed cooling system. The body of effectively transfer heat from the body from the surrounding air through natural air energy cooling technology, and the water is delivered to the mattress through the water pipe, reducing the temperature of contact between the body and the mattress, thus feeling comfortable and good and cool. Adopting an optimized dense structure with certain filter element, the instantaneous water absorption is increases by 20%. Especially made PVC and the PA material superconducting blanket body smooth, soft, and delicate to the touch, quickly feeling cold and refreshing, suitable for adult and the children. Its ultra fine fiber pad is designed to provide a gentle and uniform cooling, achieving the ultimate cooling effect. Make you sleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed. Just fill the water tank with cooling fan approximately capacity of 2.0 L and then turn on the switch to enjoy a fast and comfortable cooling experience. Sustainable cooling and mini saving machine. Net weight for saving machine 2 kg size 12.2 11 inches is suitable for household use such as the remodeling and the cloth, handmade saving home decoration and other saving needs. Saving machine dual power and dual switch. Sewing machine can be controlled by a foot switch and the button switch. Wherever you are the beginner and the saving aesthetic, you can easily operate AC adopt and the A4A batteries, two power modes, battery modes suitable for you and use when going out. Remember not to use two power mode at the same time, otherwise the motor will be damaged. There are threading indication mark printed on the body which can help easily thread the thread. Whatever you are a beginner or a saving athletics, please watch the video carefully before using it, which can help you create work more easily. 12 kind of stretches and the stretching Household sewing machine 12 kind of stitch is 1 and a 4 is the adjustment stitch length 5 6 in the pattern